Individual observation records. These individual observation records will help us to write anecdotes now and to do observation to the children. The individual observation record will be our guideline to see how we're going to be documenting the observation that we're going to be doing on the daily basis to the children. For example, if we observe that Ali walked to the classroom, Ali walked to the house area and to the block area to observe what the children were doing. Then she decided to go to the arts area and she took paper and paint. She sat and started to paint. That would be the observation that we did on Ali. And we will find out in which domain that one falls. For example, that will go into initiative and curiosity. It will be number 1, which says explores most areas in the classroom. So we can see that this observation that we did in Ali will fall into this domain. You can do it the other way too. You can have a goal about what you want to observe on the children and pay attention to those domain and then write your observation on the paper. Either way, what is important is that this will guide you how to do it. These domains, for example, we have dramatic play, we have number and operation, beginning subtraction or beginning addition, we have measurement, time, gross motor activities or gross motor coordination. These domains have some example of what the child can do. And if the child is doing something like this, you just document. It will guide you what you should be writing about. Also, you don't have to do this in order. You don't have to go 1, 2, 3 and keep going on. You can jump here and there and just find what domain fit the need of the observation that you're doing or what domain you will be looking at into observe. What are the things that you need to do when you write this observation? You need to make sure that you write the child name, the date, the time, the setting, which is large group time, a small group time, lunch time, or can be the block area, housekeeping area, playground area, something like that. The recorder, your initials, and the domain needs to be described on your observation. Also, make sure you write the individual observation record number, which again, that will be, if we're talking about goal setting and planning, if you are working on number 20, that will be the number that you will be writing in there. Okay? You write your observation, and if you want to add your comment as a teacher, for example, something like she didn't look happy, that will be your opinion, and you have to be clear that you're writing your comment, your opinion. It cannot be as a part of the anecdote note. The anecdote note need to be only with fact, but you can write later teacher comment and then make your comment there. Do you have to write this like literally child name, date? No. Once you know this is what you need, what you have to do is just go ahead like this example. John Smith, 9/13/12, 10 a.m., block area, initiative and curiosity number 1, which means this is the domain, initiative and curiosity, and number 1. So you don't have to literally be writing this information like child name and then John Smith. You just can go straight and write John Smith to make it shorter and easier for you. We have a few more steps that you need to follow when you are doing anecdotes note. Write your child observation as event occurred. Number 2, limit your observation to 1 incident. Number 3, complete your notes as soon as possible. 4, just facts. Remember, just write the facts. 5, to record your personal comment, it must be after the fact and must be explained that it is the teacher comment or opinion. And I will fix some little bubble here about comments. Take pictures, collect work samples, and other items that will help to support your observation. 7. You must observe at least 4 children per day. A. These children's initial must be on your lesson plan. 9. Use the information recorder to plan activities for your lesson plan. 10. Follow children progress. And at the end, what we're going to do with that information that you are collecting is to work on our TS goal. In other words, we have to collect that information and enter that information in the computer. So please be accurate. Use this individual observation record as a guideline. Don't write on these papers. This is just a guideline. You will be writing on your paper. You can use dividers, binders and dividers, so you can work per section for each child. But this is where you're gonna be writing. Take your 4 children binder with you or piece of paper all the time, so you can be constantly writing about what you are observing for those children that are your goal children for the day of today, for example. And this is all. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you.